This is a new UIUX design concept I am proposing for gas pumps. I will show you how it works. I will mention its benefits, but first I will review the current experience at the gas pump today. So here we have two gas pumps side by side. One has my design and the other one doesn't. And this is a side-by-side comparison. And let's first review the current experience at the gas pump today. To get gas at the gas pump, the first step is to insert the credit or debit card for the payment. The second step is to specify the type of gas we need by selecting any of these buttons here at the bottom. The third step will be to insert the gas nozzle into the vehicle. And the fourth step will be to pay very close attention to this meter here at the top in order to know when to stop the nozzle from pumping gas into the vehicle. Otherwise, if we don't stop it on time, that means we will have to pay more than what we originally intended. So the customer experience at this machine is already very simple. How much simpler can it get? Well, the experience is not as simple as it seems, and I will mention some problems. The first problem is that the customer experience is based around the entire machine, and the problem with that is that a user experience can be based around such a big area because customers get confused. The second problem is that the machine, the gas pump, never allows customers to specify the exact amount of gas that they need. The only way for customers to get the exact amount of gas that they need is by properly timing the meter here at the top in order to know when to stop the nozzle from pumping fuel into the vehicle. And sometimes a little distraction costs customers extra cash than what they originally intended to pay. And this is a problem. More than a customer experience problem, this is a business practice problem. And you could say that this is a business transparency problem. And this is a problem that needs to be solved. So how does this design enhances the customer experience at the machine, at the gas pump? Well, first, this is a single facet design, which means that it never requires customers to progress to multiple screens to get what they need. Second, this is a design that enables customers to seamlessly specify the exact amount of gas that they need, which is something they can't do at the machine today. And because customers can do that now, that means that this meter here at the top is no longer part of the customer experience. Now we can drop the meter because customers don't need to pay attention to the meter in order to know when to stop the nozzle. The machine will simply pump the amount that the customer specifies. Second, this is a design that also enables customers to specify the type of gas that they need. And because customers can do that, that means we also don't need this section here at the bottom. We no longer need these buttons here because customers can specify the type of gas that they need in the screen of the machine. So we no longer need the buttons here. So we drop the buttons and we also drop the meter at the top. This design simplifies the customer experience at the gas pump because now most of the customer experience happens in the screen of the machine. Once the customer specifies the type of gas that they need and the exact amount of gas that they need, then the customer simply makes the payment and inserts the nozzle into the vehicle. The new customer experience is going to be much simpler. It's going to be a three-step process. It's going to be screen, payment, and nozzle. Screen, payment, and nozzle. This is a working prototype, and I'm going to show you the user journey, the interaction experience of this design. To get gas at the gas pump, I will simply select the language if I need to, because I am okay with the default language. I don't need to select a language. Then I need to select the gas type that I need and specify the amount that I need. And I submit my order. Now I simply make my payment and insert the gas nozzle into my vehicle. And when the gas pump begins pumping fuel into my vehicle, it will show me the progress of the gas being pumped into my vehicle. And here we can see that it will pump only until $40 is reached, because $40 is the amount I specified. And if my tank fills before this amount is reached, then I will only be charged for the amount that was pumped into my vehicle. Another benefit of this design is that this is a multi-platform consistent design. And what that means is that this is a design that can be in the gas pump, in the self-service kiosk, in the dashboard of the vehicle, and also in the mobile application. And the benefit of a multi-platform consistent design is that users get to enjoy the same user-friendly experience on any platform.